Here we go. Oh, hello everyone. It's me, Daddy Potato from the Navy Ukulele channel, and I've sent a box of Tomica from Hong Kong. Now we just need to get this out somehow. Oh yes, we're gonna help. We're gonna get it out. Ow. I just quickly filled that, and we're gonna open this up and make it like the picture in the box. And then, we're gonna have to cut a little more. This is like a cutting situation. Oh, ow. Now we can open it. Oh. Ho, ho, ho. Wow. Oh my goodness, this is happening. This is a dream. Is it? Wow. Okay, this is a dream. It's absolutely a dream. This is absolutely, this is surely a dream. I'm sure of that. Oh. Wait, we gotta take the wood out, I think. Oh, take the wood out. Take it out. Take it out. Take it out. Take the wood. Take it out. Take it out. Take it out. Come on, take it out. Take it out. Take it out. Take it out. What? Is this like this is a dream? Oh! 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 This is 2010. We're in Vietnam, and this is Vietnam. Are you in Vietnam? What's this? Oh, what else could be in here? Next, next. Hello, check it out. Next. Oh, no, I got this. Whoa, oh, check this out, bro. Let's see here. What? This is Vietnam. This is Vietnam. This is Vietnam. How about you? Are you Vietnam? Are you Vietnam? Thank you, Hong Kong. I appreciate your work. And now let's see this. As you can see, you can. Oh, you can take this apart. Nice. So let's see how this thing spins. Ooh. It has a little, it's a little too heavy to push, but I'm sure you get it. Next is the Honda. Very good. And I have it has a siren on the top. It's red, which means fire, in the openings. Awesome! And then and look at this one. This could pick up sand and cover up the fire. Oh, that's why we have this one. Nice. And this could be for our water source. Let's see. And we have the Mitsubishi Bravo. The Mitsubishi Santor. And then, look. This being like a water source or something. And now for the bobby review. Dun 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 dun. And here we have this carrier which is Vietnam, as you can see. And then open this up down this, and then we're gonna make it like the box now. So put this here. We're gonna put this here. We'll put this that like that. Then oh yes. And then next we have to oh no. Shut the door. Shut the door. Oh, shut the door. Boom. Oh, look at that. Like the box. Like at the box. I'm like a box. Bam. And now, put this upside down. And then we put it right here. Sorry. I'm sorry about that. Okay. Put this in. Put them in. Put them in, and then boom. Oh my gosh, we got it. Shut the door. Boom. Look at that. Just like a box. Oh, yes. Well, we got it. Alright guys, that's the end of this video of Hong Kong. And that was my first episode on Hong Kong Day-Do. Hong Kong Day-Do. See you guys next time. Bye. And if you want to check out if you want to check out the first video of Tomika, it's just on my YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye.